Okay. Hello,
Good
and what's
morning,
your name?
officer. My name is Ashila.
Sheila.
Yeah.
Okay. And my name's Mark. And my first question is, for what reason are you planning to visit the U.S.?
I'm going to pursue my bachelor's in accounting at Moore State University.
Okay. And why do you plan to do that at that university?
Officer, in this university, it provides warm and welcoming environment for international students. Also, it has affordable tuition fees and course curriculum perfectly matches my profile. And I'm doing this course because it will help me develop financial management skills, understand taxation, and learn how businesses handle their finances efficiently, as I want to become tax for investigator after returning back to my country.
Okay. And what led you to this specific university and not another university? Some Have you considered other universities? Is the question.
No, Vijay, I have applied to only one universities, but I did some research about other universities too.
Okay.
I found universities like Webster universities, Arkansas universities, and one is Harvard universities. I chose these universities when I came to Education Consultancy. They spoke very highly of Murray State University, and I did some research about it. And the city where it's located is famous for horse riding and hiking, which I'm interested in. Maybe that attracts
Okay.
me towards it.
Are you saying horse riding?
Yes.
Okay. I just wanted to make sure I understood because it's real important.
Yeah.
I'm just kind of cutting this here a little bit, but it's real important that uh, the the officer understands.
Yeah.
You say what? And so, um, okay. So you've answered that. As for the financing your education,
Yeah.
what plans do you have to finance your education? How do you plan to do
My
that?
parents will be sponsoring my educations and living expenses in the US.
Huh?
My parents have stable uh, financial.
Okay.
My father has worked in abroad for 12 years, and now he has came back to Nepal. He owns four vehicles, by which he generate 30,000 USD dollars. And my mom owns a small shop in which she sells
Okay.
things like knitted clothes and flowers.
Okay. Okay.
And by that, she generates 5,000 USD dollars.
Okay. That sounds good. Um, Now, of course, we know that the U.S. is going to be a big cultural change, and so it can be stressful. And I just was wondering, how do you plan to be able to adapt to U.S. culture?
Official, well, Nepal is also a multicultural country. I have grown with many peoples from different religions and castes. So in America, I plan to participate in the cultural exchanging programs and make new friends from different states of America. And yes, I will sure adapt quickly as I am
Okay. Okay.
confident.
Got it. So um, let's see. Basically, that. So let me think about what you said here. And so one thing that like I said, it's important that we're able to communicate. You're going to be a little nervous.
Yeah.
It's just typical, but it's important that we try to relax as much as possible.
Yes.
uh, I know people who've went through a number of interviews and so and not got their visas, but so if you were in a position where you don't get your visa, what would you do? Because
No.
what would you first? Do you have other options?
Official, I'm confident that you will accept my visa
Okay.
today.
Okay.
But if you deny, I will recheck my mistakes and correct it and
Okay.
reapply again
Okay.
for my studies in the US.
Okay. Okay. I like the answer. So thank you very much.
Thank you, officer.
And so Yeah, well, I'll let you know.
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you.